Remember when Tesla founder Elon Musk declared that the Model 3 acquired the lowest probability of injury rating ever achieved by the NHTSA? Allegedly, it was true. Musk was prohibited to share it openly. Later, the NHTSA requested him to withdraw his statement. Tesla's automobiles have been winning hearts around the world ever since its launch. They have been excelling in the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's NHTSA's crash exams for years now. Furthermore, the Model Y has recently joined the club. It was tested by the NHTSA and the results will blow your mind. Before we share every single detail with you regarding the Tesla Model Y's record-breaking safety standards, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. The Model Y, the mid-sized SUV, has scored 5 stars in each and every category that the NHTSA tests for crash safety. NHTSA tests these cars in a range of crash test metrics, including frontal crashes and subsections for both the motorist as well as the passenger seats, side crashes for strikes into both an obstacle and a pole, and even rollover situations. The Model Y rates 5-star results across the board. Even though, as with NHTSA's earlier tests, these outcomes are only for usual human-piloted situations, not Tesla's self-driving autopilot function. The news about Tesla Model Y achieving a 5-star rating by the US-based National Highway and Traffic Safety Administration quickly reached every corner of the world. What is even crazier is in fact that the model has also achieved the least rollover risk ever documented for SUVs by the body. According to the NHTSA statement, the all-electric crossover, which is recently available for sale only in the US, has been awarded 5 stars for the front motorist and passenger side crash, side barrier and pole wreck, as well as for rollover accidents, and has successfully received a top rating in all categories. The version examined by NHTSA was a 2020 Tesla Model Y long range. An announcement posted by Tesla states that they expected similar results for all Model Y variants, including our performance AWD and single-motor rear-wheel drive variants in the future. What's even more impressive is the fact that the Model Y isn't only Tesla's automobile to achieve such record-breaking results. Before Model Y, other Tesla cars such as Model 3, Model S, and Model X had shocked the transport world with their performance. No wonder why Tesla is the leading car brand in the world. They not only concentrate on making their cars sustainable, but also make them safe for their customers, considering that automobile accidents are one of the leading causes of death around the world. Automobiles need to be safe for their consumers if they want to be the best in the game. If you were wondering what makes Tesla Y so safe, well, we have an answer to that question too. Before we tell you about it, just a quick reminder to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we drop a new content. What makes Model Y safe? Model 3 and Model Y are created largely on the same manifesto, which means they share architecture that is essential to both vehicles' safety. To board its higher mass and huge cabin space as an SUV, Model Y's body design is protected and strengthened even more than Model 3, which has helped it chase its 5-star safety rating. Towards its center, in the event of an accident, Model Y is designed to disperse crash forces throughout the cabin and away from the inhabitants, greatly diminishing the risk of an accident. The car's front and rear breakdown zones and advanced side structures allowing Model Y to direct crash energy very dexterously, decreasing accelerations on the automobile and more firmly its passengers. Furthermore, Model Y's structure currently comprises the world's largest casting. In addition to a powerful battery pack, these elements elevate intrusion into the cabin, forming a robust safety cell with enough room for our revolutionary restraint systems to take advantage of and deliver even more occupant protection. Rollover risk. Rollovers exceptionally expand the risk of wounding during an accident. To measure rollover resistance in NHTSA's assessment, Model Y is positioned on a suspended platform that twirls in all directions to physically calculate the center of gravity and instance of inertia. NHTSA's tests discovered that Model Y has a rollover risk of just 7.9%. That is the lowest score achieved by any SUV in the NHTSA assessment history. As with all Tesla automobiles, Model Y's architecture is critically designed to achieve a very low center of gravity, which is attained by deliberately positioning its heavy battery pack and electric motors down low in the car. Safety is the utmost priority of every Tesla vehicle, and Model Y confirms from years of immense passion, for vehicle safety and security. Each and every Tesla automobile comes with standard and modern crash avoidance and pedestrian safety features, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and forward collision warning, amongst others. By dispensing the most futuristic equipments and technologies, Tesla's goal is to support customers, prevent avoidable injuries whenever possible, and when they are not preventable, to help decrease injury to the fullest extent possible. As a matter of fact, we believe Model Y to be one of the safest automobiles available to customers around the world, and we know that for sure Tesla will keep pushing its boundaries even more in coming years. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it so far, make sure to hit that like. Let us know in the comments down below what are your views about the Tesla Model Y. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time we drop new videos.